My name is Brent Newman. I'm from the United States. The experience was very hands-on. We could kind of speak through that massage rather than actual English. Hey guys, my name is Brent Newman. I'm from the United States. I'm doing the Diploma in Massage Therapy. I found AIPA while I was in Kathmandu doing a yoga certification training and saw they had great reviews on Google. Reached out to Rena, got a quick response, came to the facility, realized that it was a great fit, and started massaging that day. It's been really an awesome experience. Rena and her staff have been more than accommodating to my needs. The other students here are amazing. They're from all over the world. It's been a great experience culturally, as well as learning massage, not only practicality but theory as well, and how to run your own massage or even a spa, which is a future goal of mine. So for the diploma, I learned a lot of different massages as well as scrubs and different techniques to relax clients such as Sayudara from Rena and her staff, and as well as practicing on other students. Some of them which were here before me, so we learned from each other as well as from the teachers. So really a great learning experience. There was plenty of room in the facility. Timing was very flexible, pretty much just planned it the night before. So it was very accommodating to people's needs, and the experience was very hands-on. No one ever felt left out, even though some of us might have been doing different massages at different times. When you kind of got sick of massaging, you could go be a model for someone else, and things just flowed very well. We worked with each other really well, and I would highly recommend it to anyone who's interested in massage or spa. So being from the United States, I kind of expect a language barrier wherever I go. Being here at AIPA, there really wasn't any of that. There was a student from Poland, obviously we're in Nepal. People spoke very fluently, even shared in their culture of foods. So it was really not that hard at all, speaking as well as emailing back and forth. I don't even have a phone number here, so I relied completely on email. Rena was very fast to get back to me, as well as the other students that we met up with and became friends with. So really, speaking was the least of our worries. I mean, even with massage, a lot of it's just technique anyway, so if there was a language barrier or a student who didn't really speak fluently, we could kind of speak through that massage rather than actual English. So I was very happy with how everything was taught and communicated. My future ambitions after this course are, I would love to start my own massage business or with my partner to start a wellness business with yoga and massage, and maybe have some chiropractic and Ayurvedic methods when we get back home. So this has been a crucial component of that, and I think will really help not only now but in the future as well. I think massage is a crucial component of human health, not only for the masseuse but the person getting massaged as well. So I would highly recommend not only AIPA, but anywhere you can learn massage or work on each other as part of a monthly regimen for sure.